Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the account that holds Game Pass. This ensures you cancel the correct subscription. Once signed in, go straight to your subscription or services page to confirm the active plan and the next billing date. Make sure the payment method and email on file are correct so you get the confirmation. You do this now because knowing the billing cutoff prevents unexpected charges, and it lets you decide whether to wait until the end of the period or stop immediate renewal. You now navigate to the subscription entry for Game Pass and select Manage or View Details. This opens the cancellation flow. Once there, follow the prompts to cancel. Choose whether you want the subscription to end at the next billing date or terminate immediately, because that affects access and refunds. Read any pop-up confirmations and check for offers or trial adjustments. Sometimes pausing or downgrading is presented. Make sure to confirm the final confirmation message so the cancellation is recorded. You finish by checking your email and the account subscription list to confirm Game Pass shows as canceled or scheduled to end. This is your receipt. If a billing charge still appears or the subscription persists, gather the transaction ID and contact support promptly while explaining you canceled. This speeds resolution. If you change your mind, resubscribe from the same page. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache or try a different browser or the console app before calling support to rule out interface errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.